What's up guys? Welcome to a new episode on this channel. If you don't know us, we are Garrett and Laura, and today we are coming to you from the fantastic city of Amsterdam, Netherlands, exploring a little bit what's going on here, showing you some good places for your next trip. Hopefully you can grab some inspiration. So you can buy yourself 2 tickets for the metro. So this is about 14 euros and this is valid for 48 hours. It's also working for 1 day, 24 hours and I think 72 hours. So this is what our room looks like. Bed looks good. Here we got an open shower, so everyone can watch you. That's a big one. Where's the toilet?
Behind this door.
Wow.
Time for some French fries, the best one.
Hey, how are you? Whoa, look at this. Time for some fries. Triple mayo peanut cream. Wow.
They're so good.
I like them. Some people don't like them, but they're very good, yeah. The Vondelpark. Coming. That's where we go now and have a beer. A Dutch beer, by the way, Heineken. So friends, this is like the city center square. As you can see, very empty. You will see later today, it's very busy here. So guys, we just came to the Spiegelgracht, one of the most famous or well known in Amsterdam, and yeah, very beautiful with these cute bikes. Behind us is the, what's the name? Rijks. I hope we pronounce it the right way, but I don't think so. Rijksmuseum, and this whole area here is the museum's quarter. As you can see over there, you got the Moko Museum. Behind it, I think it's the Van Gogh Museum. And yeah, as we said, Rijksmuseum. Also at the museum's quarter is the Opera House.
Concert hall.
That was really lovely. Highly recommended. Come here, get yourself a vegan pancake. Very delicious. Good drinks, good smoothies. Very good. We actually arrived here at the Westerpark. And yeah, it's a big park here in Amsterdam, but it's also a district. And here's the Fabrique de Lumières, or something like this, yeah. And it's an exhibition by Klimt and Hundertwasser. So people, very cool exhibition, and yeah, never seen something like this before, so we can definitely recommend it. If it's worth for you 15 euros per person, then go there. Where are we going next?
Tony's Chocolonely chocolate bar.
Yeah. So this is the Tony's Chocolonely Superstore, and here you can make your own chocolate. Takes 1 hour. They got like a lot of different types here. Very good. That was the Tony's Chocolonely's chocolate Superstore, and now to the bar. Chocolate?
Chocolonely.
Yeah. That's probably 1,000 calories. Adam, look out with the swing. Here's a party going on. So in Amsterdam you also got some party boats, and there's a big party. Wish I would be there as well. Sweet. Strandzuid is a very lovely place just for relaxing, having a drink in the sun. What are we doing now? Renting a bike and doing a little bike tour.
Our bikes.
Yeah, these are our bikes. This white Bronco here and this pink Bronco. Let's have a ride. Flat land. Very beautiful. Quiet, easy to drive. Very good. Still riding around, 6 kilometers to go. Let's go. We are done now with our bike tour. Now we are heading back to city center, maybe catch a cool sunset, and then the evening's over. Good morning, friends. The last day here in Amsterdam has just begun. Grab some breakfast after we go back, packing our stuff, and then we're going to Eindhoven. That's where we fly from to Madrid. Very excited. Never been to Madrid. Closed or not open yet, we decided to get some pancakes again, and this time with a good view. It's good. Oh, it's good, yeah. Okay, friends. That was our little video here from Amsterdam. We hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see us hopefully in the next vlog in Madrid. And thanks for watching. Peace.